Alexander's eating his third bowl of Rice Krispies on his birthday.
And I'm 4.
4 today?
Yeah. When are we going to Richard's house?
Tomorrow, Monday. And here's Kristen eating her second bowl of Rice Krispies. You can't. And they're both watching Motormouth.
It's not Motormouth, it's Mousetrap.
Mousetrap.
We don't go up that slide.
It is 5 minutes after Alexander has finished 3 bowls of Rice Krispies, and now he is eating 10 pots of custard. He's dribbled. Say hello to Francis.
That's Francis.
Here. Here. Say hello.
Hello, Francis.
As for Nicholas,
12 pot.
he's going to turn into a real fatty.
Can't, I'm not built to.
Kristen, she's organising the catalogue. Yes. Yes, she's organising the catalogue.
The new adventures of Black Beauty.